Well, hello, it's Bears back. Got another lock for you. This is Euro cylinder type Yale by Turk mat. It's called, it's been around. It's called I Pity the Spool. Sorry. And we're going to attempt again to try to get into this on camera. Oh, you know how it is. Okay, I'm going to use the swoop on this. And I'm going to go in the back. Oh, I didn't show you that. Let me show you this stuff first. I should. Get out of there. That's the bidding. Key works if you pull down on it. Now we're ready. Burn up a whole minute of precious time that you're going to need in this lock. Okay, now let's get started. I got a couple clicks right away in the back. That was me getting around the warding just then, everybody. Try to get these back pins set as best we can, as much as we can right now. Then we're going to come out and go to the front. So there's, I got a little set on one. Little one. See if there's any more there. I can't tell. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And back to the back again we go. Hi ho, hi ho. It's to the back we go. Well, I'm not really feeling it back here. Not feeling nothing, giving anything up, so we'll come back to the front. See what we got. Oh, we got a little counter right there. Got some movement out of that one. All right, to the back. Not feeling it giving me anything. There, I got a little bit out of 5, it felt like. I'm looking for that deep fault set, but I'm not finding it. It's up here somewhere. I just lost a bunch. I think I just did. Okay, I got it all back when I touched 5. Oh, the mail must be coming. He loves the mail truck. I got some pop out of 1. Wow, this thing's putting up a fight now. It knows the camera's on. That's what it is. Oh God, I think I got that fault set that I was looking for. And I got a dog going crazy right here. Crap. Just lost it, I think. Lost it, yeah. It went bye-bye on me. Stupid thing. Got it all back when I hit 5. That's something that just keeps hanging on me. Oh, there's a real deep fault set. That's what I've been looking for and I couldn't find. The elusive fault set. Wow. It's really been a pain now. Sorry, folks. This thing hasn't been giving me this much trouble. So means I'm doing something wrong. Yeah. And that's it. We got it. Finally. Jeez. It only took a month of Sundays. It was that number 2 pin hadn't pulled up just enough to set. Okay. Let's see about getting this bad boy. Yeah, I hear you, puppy. Oh, I'm all excited now because I actually got it. Oh, you were working a second ago. Stop not working. Okay. And it might help if I took the clip off, huh? That could help. Oh, I hope it's not a tough one. Oh, good. 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 Dee. Come with me, you see. Go that way. Thank you. Clippy's off. Let me get this over here. I haven't used this hardly at all, so this is going to be very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, there's a slot that's supposed to go into. There it is. Wow. Oops. You stay there. You come through. Nice. I like that little tool. And of course, they all need to be picked. Excuse me, needed to be picked. And this is why I don't like. This is why I love the trays. I just wish it was the other way around. This over here and these over here. Because I got to come all the way across to do anything. There's 1, 2, oh, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow, nice. Okay. That's not gonna be very nice. Oh, that's probably what was holding me up. Okay. And I guess you do like that there. Spin her around and start pulling teeth. Let me have a teeth puller. We'll get to work. Sorry, this is going to be a long video, guys, but this is my first time. Ooh, nice spool. In 1 and spring. Come be with me, ankle. Ooh. Well, oh, it had a pin and pin. There's what my problem was. Or no, that's a drunken spool. Nice. And just didn't turn it around, folks. I know. I went to drop it the right way and it dropped the wrong way. Wow, it's a deep dark hole down in there. Ooh, it's a pin and pin. Wow. I don't know if I took that out the right way. I thought I did. Whoa. I'm gonna have to watch another video. Oh, lost one. I lost a spool. Just popped right out. So, at least it was just a spool. Dang. Slippery little sucker. Wow, that's a long way in there. I don't know about getting it from this direction, folks. That's way in there. Yeah, I don't think I can. I think I gotta stay here. This is gonna be fun to load. Okay. That's a spool too, also. First spring. And second spring. Well, I'll watch another video, folks, and see that I get it right. Let's see. It looks like threading in 2, countermilling in 1, countermilling in, looks like 4. Yeah. 3 smooth. Threading in 5. And 6 is smooth. And oh boy, there you go. Where's my handy dandy can't trust it flashlight? I'm not seeing anything in the top, folks. I can't see. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing down there. Oh, yes, I am. I think. It looks like maybe. I don't know if that's production or what. Nah, it's nothing. There's nothing done to the top. Okay, well, that's what we got for Turk mat number 16. I pity the spool. Sorry for the long video, folks. Thanks for putting up with me. And stay legal and have fun. Thanks, guys. Sorry about that. I forgot all about the pins, and they are some works of art right here, guys. You have some couple of serrated T-pins in the bottom. Then you have this pin and pin, and another long serrated, and this serrated kind of spool, and then this is a pin and pin too right here. That's really nice. Spool with serrations, regular spool, T-pin into a pin and pin and a long shaft, making a spool. Standard, a drunken spool, and then a spool kind of serrated. And your springs are different, so I'm going to have to make sure I get them right. Okay, so that's what's in it. So thanks for watching, folks. Bye.